Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify rent payments in Apartments.com app step by step clearly. Open the Apartments.com app on your device. Log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Payments section in the menu. Tap on the Payments option to proceed. In the Payments section, find the list of recent transactions. Locate the specific rent payment you want to verify. Tap on the transaction for more details. Review the payment date, amount, and status. Check if the payment shows as completed or pending. If needed, take note of any transaction ID for your records. If you encounter any discrepancies, look for a help or support option. Contact customer support if you have questions about your payment. Keep your payment confirmation email handy for reference. Follow up if you do not receive a timely response. Make sure to check your bank statement to verify the amount deducted. Ensure that everything matches your Apartments.com payment history. Confirming your rent payments is crucial for your records. Follow these steps to ensure your payments are accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.